consistently post new Pinterest pins on my Pinterest account about the new latest fashion designs. So now here manually thinking about the title and creating the post takes a lot of time, and sometimes I used to take help of AI tool as well. That's where I got up an amazing automation solution which automatically helped me to stay consistent on creating new Pinterest pins with the help of an AI tool and an automation software. Yes, here on my screen you can see a simple automation that I've set up by connecting some applications, by connecting my AI tool which is OpenAI and my Pinterest account. Now on some specific days this automation automatically gets triggered. OpenAI generates the title for my Pinterest pin as per my niche and generates an image for the same. Then after that it automatically shares it as a new pin on my Pinterest account. Sounds magical, right? So now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Here I can also assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says, on some specific days, my workflow should get triggered. OpenAI should generate title and the image for pin separately and then create it as a new pin on Pinterest. So after analyzing my request, it is asking which schedule Pabbly trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select schedule workflow, and for OpenAI, we are going to select the action as ChatGPT. Then for the OpenAI second action step, we are going to select generate image GPT image 1 because we want to generate an image from this action step. And for Pinterest, we are going to select create pin. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event. It is asking how often you want to run your workflow. You can see multiple options over here. As I've already mentioned, that I'm going to run it for some days of the week. So let's select it. Now here I'm going to select some random days. Alright, then we are going to select the time as 11 a.m. Then we are going to click on this save. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully scheduled our workflow for these days on 11 a.m. And with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Now, once this automation is going to get triggered, I want OpenAI to generate the title and the image for my pin. So firstly, we are going to generate the title as per my niche. And for that, we are going to use OpenAI. You can use another AI tools as well. For now, we are going to build a new connection and it is asking for a token. So to get the token, we are going to click on this hyperlink available over here and it will direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. Here I easily got directed because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. From here, click on this create new secret key, give a name to your key, select the project and click on this create secret key. By doing so, you are going to receive an API key. Copy that key and add it over here. For now, I'm going to use an existing connection and and you can see we are now successfully connected. Then here it is asking me for a AI model and prompt. So I'm going to use my model as GPT-5. You can select it as per your requirement, and for the prompt I'm going to give a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating a proper title as per my niche. So let me add it. You can see I have successfully added a prompt over here, and then we are going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the title for that particular pin. So with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now based on the title, I want to generate an image for my pin, again using OpenAI. This time we have selected different app event, and we are going to build an existing connection because we have already connected our OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in our previous action step. Okay, so again it is asking for a prompt, so I'm going to add a different prompt over here. Let me add it. Alright, so this is the prompt, and here I've added the details as title. So instead of entering the title manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new title from our OpenAI, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and here we are going to map the content generated by AI. So with this we have successfully completed our prompt. For the model, select GPT image 1, number of sample as 1. Here you can select the style, size, moderation, quality, and here you can see auto details are pre-filled, so I'm not going to change it. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the file URL for that particular image generated by AI. Let's open it in a new tab, and you can see this is the image generated by AI. So with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after generating the title and the image, we are going to create it as a new pin on our Pinterest account. For that we are going to build a new connection over here, and you can see Pabbly is asking for access, so we're going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected, so let's move forward. Here it is asking me for board. So here I'm going to select my board as trendy outfits that I already have on my Pinterest account. Then this board section ID is not required one, so we're going to leave it blank. For the image URL, we are going to map the URL generated by AI, and here we're going to map the title generated by AI, and again these fields are not required one, so we're going to leave it blank. Then click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new pin on our Pinterest account. Let's go and check it, and here we're going to refresh it. You can see a new pin has been shared over here successfully with the same title and the image generated by AI. So with this we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and our action as OpenAI twice and Pinterest, so that on some specific days my automation should get triggered. OpenAI should generate a title and a specific image related to that title and then share it as a new pin on my Pinterest account. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to generate viral Pinterest pins using OpenAI. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.